This land acquisition is a major victory for the protection of endangered species. Pauxi Pauxi Reserve is home to incredible biodiversity, including 309 species of birds, 10 of which are endemic to Colombia, and 6 which are critically threatened with extinction. The reserve expansion is crucial for the conservation of the Butana watershed and much more unique wilderness. Despite the immense biodiversity value of this reserve, deforestation has been rapidly increasing in the recent years. There has been a 12% decrease in forest cover. It's heartbreaking to think that the majority of this property was going to be deforested. During the pandemic, previous owners had cut and burned large portions on the edge of the Pauxi Reserve. With your help, we are able to secure, conserve, and restore this vital habitat. We are thankful for the generosity of our partners and dedicated supporters for making this reserve expansion possible and look forward to continue rewilding deforested areas.
Nuestro rol es decisivo para la conservación de ecosistemas únicos.
This is Isabela Cortez, and I am leading the projects here with Women for Conservation in Colombia, as well as sustainability in ProAves. So I'm with a forest guard here in the Pauxi Pauxi Reserve.
Pues mi trabajo aquí se basa en el monitoreo, en la conservación. Y mi trabajo es estar al tanto de que no se estén metiendo los bosques, de que no estén haciendo mal uso de los recursos, de que no estén talando árboles, de que no estén cazando. Eso es lo que nos centramos nosotros en sí, en la conservación de la naturaleza.